Red Barn Builds 99, back at ya. We got another one here. We got a 2016 BMW 328i in the shop in a beautiful blue. It's almost like a blue purple metallic. It's beautiful. So we got a friend of a friend who was recommended to me, which is awesome. So we got a little problem, as you can see right here, and it's pretty clear what's going on. There's some condensation in the headlights on this one. This one's okay, although what I'm going to be doing today is installing some BayOptiks headlights. See if we can't get them out here. Alrighty, so here is the passenger side headlight. These things are beautiful. They are from BayOptiks, little BMW LED. So these are just a direct fit, no real modification needed. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to take the front bumper cover off. That way I can get access to the headlight housings and the headlights. So let's get to it. Okay, so got the front bumper cover off. Not going to completely take it off because you don't need to. You know, you could just disconnect the fog lights and whatnot and completely take it off, but it's not really necessary. So now that that is off, now what I'm going to do, battery's disconnected also. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get the headlights, both headlights, taken out.
Feeling kind of blue, got no destination, don't know what to do, but suddenly out of nowhere, a light shines so bright, pushing me forward to a place out of sight. The sun started shining, melting away my fears, dancing through the shadows.
Alrighty, so I got this side taken apart, wheel off, headlight out. This is something you don't want to hear, folks. See if I can get it. Oh. Look at that, it's headlight fluid. Maybe it's blinker fluid. Huh. Well. There's that headlight. And there's a bunch of water. I think the blinker fluid might have been overfilled. Anyway. So, that headlight's out. I'm gonna take the new headlight, reinstall it. I'm gonna clean this connector a little bit. There's some grease in there, but a little bit of corrosion. So I'm gonna clean this connector, make sure everything's good, then install the new BayOptiks headlight, and then head on over to this side. This side is in, looking good as ever. So I'm leaving this loose, so that when I put the bumper back on, I have a little bit of adjustment back and forth for that. All three bolts are tight so far. The one back there, there's one back here, and then there are two underneath there that you have to access from behind the fender liner. Alrighty, so now what I'm going to do is put the wheel back on and then start on the driver's side and get that headlight off. So now the driver headlight is out. Both headlights are out. BMW, man. Clips to the headlight. Just plugs everywhere, clips everywhere. There was a headlight bolt missing. This one. That one was there. This one just wasn't there. So I'm going to have to find a screw bolt that's similar or the same. Anyway, so that's good. It's out. And now I'm just going to plug in the new one and bolt everything back up. and get you a shot of it before I put the bumper cover back on. Alright, so both headlights are in. They look great. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the front bumper cover put back on, tightened up, and then just allow myself that little bit of adjustment with the headlights once the bumper cover's on. Alrighty, so I'll give you a shot of it once the bumper cover's back on. Headlights are tightened back up. Okay, so the bumper cover is kind of just loosely fitted on there. You can see now. They look really good. Really, really good. The bumper cover is back on. Everything is buttoned back up. Everything's tightened. The only thing I have to put back is this little water seal right here, and then that cover back there. And then 328i Beamer will be good to go with the new BayOptiks headlights. Unfortunately, they are gonna have to be programmed because it's saying, you know, system or lighting malfunction in there. So they're gonna have to be programmed, but once they're programmed, they will be good to go. Everything is back together. The headlights are in the car, hood's down, and they are looking great. So folks, that are BayOptiks headlights on a 2016 BMW 328i. So I'll catch you on the next one here at Red Barn Builds 99. You know what we do here. Take care of business. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.
Soaring so high.